In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change date format in LibreOffice Calc. If you have dates in your spreadsheet, but they're not showing up in the style you want, LibreOffice Calc makes it very easy to adjust them. This is useful when you want your sheet to look cleaner, match a specific regional format, or make the dates easier for other people to read. Start by opening your LibreOffice Calc file. Once your spreadsheet is on screen, locate the cells that contain the dates you want to change. You can select a single cell, a group of cells, or even an entire column if all of the dates need the same format. Taking a moment to select the correct range first will help you avoid changing any cells you didn't mean to edit. After selecting the date cells, move your attention to the top menu bar. Click Format, and then choose Cells from the drop-down menu. This will open a pop-up window where you can control how the selected cells are displayed. Keep in mind that this changes the appearance of the dates, not the underlying value itself, so your data remains intact. Inside the pop-up window, click the Numbers tab on the left side. This section is where LibreOffice Calc lets you define how values such as numbers, currency, percentages, and dates are shown. Since you're working with dates, this is the area you'll need. Now look for the category section and choose date. As soon as you do that, you'll see a list of available date formats. These options may include short dates, long dates, dates with month names, or formats that use different day, month, and year arrangements. Choose the one that best fits your needs. For example, you might prefer a format like day, month, year, or month, day, year, depending on your region or your document style. Once you've selected the format you want, click OK. Your selected cells will immediately update to display the new date format. And that's it. Your dates are now reformatted in LibreOffice Calc. If the result doesn't look quite right, you can always repeat the same process and choose a different date style until you find the one that works best. This is a quick formatting trick, but it can make a big difference in how professional and readable your spreadsheet looks.